Hi, and welcome back to another shape drawing challenge. I'm cartoonist Kevin Coulston, and today we're going to draw 3 characters with this shape. But first, remember to hit that subscribe button, grab your pencils, and let's have fun. Okay, to get started, you're going to want to draw the shape you see on your screen 3 times, just like I have it here. If you need to take some time to draw these out, feel free to pause the video and then unpause when you're ready to go. You can draw with anything you want or have near you. I would suggest using a pencil because we are coming up with new ideas. We're sketching, we're creating concepts of characters, and we're probably going to make some mistakes along the way, and it would be nice to be able to erase if we need to. Okay, for this first character on the left, we're going to create a dog. So I've drawn like a brow area, a couple of eye shapes. Now we're doing the nose. I'm going to fill in the nose here. Draw the pupils. And we'll add a little bit more to that brow and make him look like a gruff dog. And his chin, mouth. Give him some nice teeth. His big floppy ears. Gonna shade those in too. Do another one over here. And we'll do some little whisker spots and some hairs on his head. And we've got a nice little dog there. Alright, for this one, we're gonna draw a llama. Got the eye here. There's his mouth. He's kind of looking behind him. It's his nose, his ears. Do some cute little feet. A little tail. And there we go. Nice, simple little llama. Super cute. This last one, we're going to do a little monster. He's got some big, cute eyes. We give him a mouth. Some nice round teeth. He's a friendly monster. Do some spots. Now if those are ears, and that's just how his head's shaped, that's the fun with coming up with this stuff. Just give him some nice round arms and legs, some fingers, and there we go. We got a cute little monster, and those are our 3 characters for today. If you'd like to try this exercise again on your own, just go back to the beginning of the video, copy the shapes again, and then this time let your imagination run wild. Create anything you want. I hope you had fun today, and I hope we'll draw together again soon. If you'd like to learn how to draw more silly characters like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and be sure to check out my drawing books on firstartbooks.com.